Hello, I'm Dwayne Knickerbocker, Vice President of Brower Mechanical, and today I want to take a few moments and just talk about what is all in an energy upgrade assessment. It really breaks down into 4 components, and the first one is the physical test itself, and that's where we get up in the attic and we look at your insulation and check your ducting and the insulation around your ducting, and we look at the exterior walls and the wall insulation, and then we get to hook up these cool tools. And some of those are a duct blaster, and we actually hook up a blower door, and we simulate your house under wind conditions, and we have infrared imaging cameras that allow us to actually go through and see how the house is holding up to weatherization, how well that insulation's holding up, where's air coming into the building at. And we like to have you involved with this because you get to actually take the camera and look around to see how well your insulation's actually performing, or where that air is coming into your house. It solves a lot of your comfort problems that you have. Why is that one room too hot or too cold? So it's very informative for you to for all the homeowners to be there during this process. The next portion is going through budget and financing. What things do you know that need to be done in the house? What kind of budgets do you have allocated for this process? And then understanding, because we have a lot of energy efficiency financing programs for homeowners to upgrade their house to make it more energy efficient. So we want you to understand all the programs that are out there and what are the best benefits for you. Then we sit down with you and go over the findings of the energy assessment. And then the last portion is putting together different options with pricing, where you can actually see doing these measures results in this much price, this much energy savings, and what's the actual rebate associated to doing those measures. Another thing that really helps us out is if we have 12 months of your utility bills before we get out there. So if you can get us the 12 months of utility bills, that's a big help. If you can't do it, please call Adam here at the office. He will help you go through and get your all your utility bills for the 12 months. And utility bills are electricity, natural gas, and if you're on propane. All this takes about 3 to 5 hours. And that's why it's really necessary that all homeowners are involved. There's a lot of information that we're going through and a lot of things about the house that you're discovering. We really like to see all homeowners present during this process. You got a very discounted rate, Brower Mechanical, for providing these energy assessments for you. And one thing I want you to remember, energy assessments don't save any energy. They really don't. It's the action that we take that saves energy. And again, I want to thank you for your time. I'm Dwayne Knickerbocker with Brower Mechanical. Thank you very much.